Hey everybody, Miss Yo-Yo's back. Why? Because the Target dollar spot won't stop. They won't stop bringing in new stuff, restocking old stuff, and I got you the video. Please stay in the video till it comes to be stop, and I'll be back in just about. Thank you. Now here are two of my favorite things I found in the Target dollar spot. First, this little riser. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, love that. I'd actually like to stain it a little bit more, but I love it. That is it right there. And then these little jars down here, they had them in green and like a burnt orange and black. And I didn't pick them up. Why? I don't know. There was a lady standing next to me looking at these cutting boards. I said, they always get you coming in. She goes, right? So let me just tell you, these little cutting boards, the round one and the longer ones are both two cutting boards in one. There's two in there. You can keep one, give one as a gift. $5. Now give me an update. What is the status of your Target dollar spot? Now this is the little stand for the planters, okay? So this right here is a little stand that you can buy separately to put the little pot planters on those. Now tell me the status. Leave a comment below and let me know if you've gone to your Target recently. What was the status of the Target dollar spot at your store? No, before I get any comments about Miss Yo-Yo, where's this store at? For my local people, I went to the one in Carrollwood at Ehrlich and Del Mabry. And the other store that I went to was actually the Target on Waters in the plaza where the Chick-fil-A is. Now it's springtime in the Target dollar spot. If you know someone that's a gardener, hey, turn them on to the Target dollar spot. We got planters, we got planter holders, we got silk plants, we got it all up in the Target dollar. You need the gardening tools, they got that too, child. So tell your friends to check out the Target dollar spot now. Now these are beautiful. They said watering cans, but they're ceramic and they are nice. Okay, nice. So that if that's something you want to put together, a little gift basket for somebody, even for Easter, this would be a nice thing to put in there if they're a gardener. Now these little platters right here, these are a restock item. They've had them out and now they've restocked them. Just an FYI for you. Now, if you're still here hanging with Miss Yo-Yo in the video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up and also leave a comment. That helps a girl out greatly. I would appreciate it. Let's keep going. Now, besides it being Easter time, springtime in the Target dollar spot, it's also St. Patty's Day time. So if you look for any kind of St. Patty's Day games, okay, if you look for your socks, we got you covered here in the Target dollar spot. Now, if you're a person that's building a hope chest, getting ready to move, the Target dollar spot might be the place you want to pick up a few things. Maybe you want to pick up a few things for a housewarming gift. You can do it here in the Target dollar spot. These little Lazy Susans right here, that's a cute little gift right there. You could throw that together, make a little basket for someone if they're moving out. If you want to set it aside, maybe you've got a student going away to college later on this year, you can start building that hope chest now. Now, you know what? I like this little tote bag here, and it's a cute little spring bag. My sister carries a tote to work every day. I might have to go back and get her that because that's made out of that canvas material. Child, you ain't no go wrong. You ain't no go wrong now. Did somebody say restock? Now these little wooden spoons, this is a restock item, so you know it so well if they got a whole bunch more. Now on top of that, these little utensils right here, this is something new. This is something new I had not seen before. So, you know, if that's a good seller, hey, they might be restocking that too. So keep your eye out. Let me show you, say, keep an eye out.
That works. So you're going at 12:30 and 1, right?
Yes, we need to get our spring dish towel. We switch out our dish towels depending on the season. And I'll be honest with you, there's some little jars that I bought maybe like 3 years ago from the Target dollar store. When spring comes around, I pull those jars out and put them on display every spring. Now, you know, I had my eye on the sign that said my happy place, but I could not figure out where I could put it at around my desk. So I just passed on it for now. But if I get it, I'll let you know. Now, let me ask you, how many of my girls out there, you go and buy seasonal items here at the Target dollar spot, you know, maybe for Christmas, maybe for springtime, maybe for Easter. Tell me if you pick up any little knick-knack, paddywhack that you put on display at your house for the holidays. Now let me tell you, when I picked up that little mushroom, the other ones fell back there. That scared the crap out of me. You know what? I'm always afraid I'm gonna break something when I'm in the Target dollar spot. Now, I'm having flashbacks here. I see all this St. Patty's Day stuff, and I think about my radio days. When I used to work for a radio station, we used to do big parties at like pubs and stuff like that. Do y'all remember Bennigan's? We used to always go to Bennigan's for our St. Patty's Day party. If you remember Bennigan's, leave a comment below. No matter what occasion, there's 3 things you can always find in the Target dollar spot. You can always find socks, dish towels, and what? Glassware. You know what I mean. Now, you know I got to go back and get that little gardening set for my sister. Okay, so let me just tell you, one of the things that I bought and donated to her classroom were these kneeling pads here that they have every year. But actually, I donated a couple to her class, and actually we have one here at the house. So if we need to get down and, you know, instead of getting down on the floor, we use those kneeling pads. Good thing to have around the house. Now, just keep in mind, if you're looking to make an Easter basket for someone, put together an Easter basket, you probably can find all of it here in the Target dollar spot. Now, I will tell you why I am a Target dollar spot addict. Because I know if I see something here and they don't have it, I usually check back a day or 2 later. Sometimes I've checked back 3 or 4 weeks later. And one of those things, I'm walking in and it catches my eye. Oh, I was looking for that. They've restocked it. They are really good at restocking those popular items here in the Target dollar spot. Now, if you're looking for a little bit bigger cutting board, you can also find that in the Target dollar spot, $5. Yeah, I said $5. Hey everybody, it's Yo-Yo back to say thank you for going with me to the Target dollar spot because it was hot, hot, hot. Now, if you want to see more videos like this, feel free to check out the playlist over here. Now the disclaimer. When exiting the videos, please check around for your personal belongings. Remember, no tripping, no falling. Remember, we ain't got no insurance and we're just a squirrel trying to get a nut. And a girl will see you next time. Bye-bye.